Good afternoon. My name is Corey Williams of Coastal Elite Roofing. I'm here at 104 Cromley Road, Brooklet, Georgia, here at Mr. and Mrs. Gamble House, taking a look at some roof damage that they've sustained in the past couple of months. I'm going to be repairing this shingle right here. As you can see, this 3-tab shingle on this one shingle is damaged, and it goes from here to here, cutting off on these blue lines. So as you know, I'm going to have to get nails out from this line and this line with my snake, and I'm going to do that on video. Let's get this set up nicely. Okay, here we go. Sun's shining, don't want my phone to overheat, so I'm going to do this fairly quickly. So I got to get up underneath this shingle, unadhere it, but it seems like it's pretty unadhered already. As you know, I got to find those nails. I get a phone call. I hope it doesn't stop the video. Okay. One. These nails are pulling through. Alright, so we get underneath this shingle. Right here is clean. Alright, so now I got under that shingle, now I gotta get under this one. Get these nails out. There we go. Two. Ow. Try to get up underneath this nail right here. I'm using the snake because that is the recommended tool by insurance companies, not the recommended tool by roofers. I normally would be using a flat bar, but for insurance sake, I'm going to be using this snake so I can prevent any further damages. But these nails are completely blown through. Completely blown through. There we go. Kind of just creased and ripped this shingle above it from getting that nail out. Got to unadhere this strip. Get this nail out. these nails are blown through. I just did more damage to the shingle above it again, trying to get that last nail out. So as you can see, I got this shingle out. Oh, my phone fell, but I'll show you what I have done. Got this shingle out. These nails completely blew through. I could not get those. The snake does not do a good enough job on removing those nails. So as you can see, I have caused damage to this shingle above it by trying to get this nail out that actually came all the way out. And here you can see where this shingle has completely blown through with that nail going straight to the deck. So now I'm going to grab my test shingle over there, cut it to size, and put it in. So with the repairs, I know that this architectural shingle that I do repairs with is a lot bigger than this 3-tab. So I'm going to have to cut this to size so it can fit on the roof perfectly for a proper repair job. I'm going to grab my chalk. You can see there's about a 6-7 inch gap there, about a 2-inch gap on top. So I have to cut this out to size. I'll put my phone over here in the shade for a second while I record me cutting. So as you can see, I'm getting my repair shingle. I'm cutting it out to size. I put it in the sun so it's nice and hot so I can cut through it like butter. But still, the edges might not be perfect. And I'm cutting right in the middle of this dragon's tooth. Not the straightest edge, but should be straight enough to get that in there. As you can see, it's been cut. Now for every repair, I would have to do this with my architectural shingle. So I'm gonna get some nails prepared. So I got the shingle cut out to size, and now I'm going to use my snake to insert the first row of nails. As soon as I slide this under this shingle. And since I removed all the nails properly, there's going to be no problems. With the snake, put your first nail in on that lip, slide it up so it busts up to that shingle. Doesn't drive in all the way, pull it out, tack it down. Booyah. Second nail. Now only 4 nails need to go in this one because it's a 3-tab. So what I'm going to do, come up here, and underneath this one. Where the second row of nails were. I'm gonna put 6 nails. Oh, yeah. Okay. Second top corner on this side. Tack it down. Oh, yeah. 3 more. Trace mas. Hopefully my phone doesn't overheat. Two more. I'll put them in the worst pocket too. Uno más. There we go. Okay. Grab my phone. Please don't overheat. Yes. All right. So as you can see, I put this shingle in on this bottom layer, but this shingle above it has ripped here on this corner and frayed on this nail line. And also over here, we've caused some more scraping along these shingles. So along with extra labor costs of having to cut this shingle, I do not think repairs will be able to be made on this roof because of the brittleness. Brittle test around the whole surface of the roof fails. Something we need to review and examine. Thank you.